welcome to SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia. Myself Pradnya Otekar. In this video, I am going to teach you matrix, which is the topic of discrete maths SYBSC IT SEM 3 subject. First we see matrices. In the first video, we see definition of matrix. Means matrix is arrange the elements of number in rows and column. Now in this video, we study how to find its inverses and adjoint of matrix. A inverse and equation of solving. A inverse, to find the A inverse, there are two methods. First one is transformation, that is elementary transformation, use row transformation or column transformation, and the next method is adjoint of method. For equation solving, we use method of inversion and then next method is reduction of matrices. Now adjoint of Guru Mantra. Now what is adjoint of matrix? In adjoint of matrix, first write the given matrix in A matrix, then find its determinant, that is determinant of matrix is equal to 0, then A inverse is does not exist. Means determinant is equal to 0 means it is a singular matrix, then A inverse is does not exist. If determinant is not equal to 0, then A inverse is exist. If A inverse is exist, then my next step is find the minor of elements. After finding the before finding the minor element, we find its cofactor elements, that is Aij is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into minor element Mij. Next step is find Aij matrix and find its adjoint of matrix. Adjoint of matrix means transformation of row and column elements, and it is denoted by Aij raised to t. Now last step is A inverse. A inverse is equal to, use the formula 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Now we see one example. Find A inverse using adjoint method. First step is write given matrix in A matrix. A is equal to first row is 1 0 3 and 3. Second row is 3 3. This is 2 cross 2 matrix. Now step 1, find its determinant. Now what is the determinant of this matrix? Determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix means cross multiplication of the element. 1 into 3 is 3 and 3 into 0 is 0, which is equal to 3. That is the determinant of matrix is 3 and it is not equal to 0, so A inverse is exist. Now see the next exercise. Step 2, find value of minor and its cofactor. Now how to find its minor element? First element, matrix first element, that is A11, we write in minor element as M11 is equal to 3. Next element A12, which is equal to minor element M12, which is also 3. Next row element M21 is equal to 0 and last element M22 is equal to 1. That is A11 is equal to 3, A12 is equal to minus 3, A21 is equal to 0 and A22 is equal to 1. This is minor element. Now next step, find its Aij elements or its cofactor element. Now what is cofactor element? Write the given matrix in transformation. First row is 3 and minus 3. Second row is 0 and 1. Then what is adjoint of A? 3. First row is goes to the first column, that is 3 0, and the second row goes to the next column, that is minus 3 comma 1. Next column, that is the second column. Next A inverse. Now what is the formula of A inverse? 1 upon determinant, that is 1 upon determinant is 3 into adjoint of A element. Adjoint of A element is first row 3 0, second row is minus 3 1. Now take the next exercise. Find A inverse using adjoint method. Now see adjoint method for 3 cross 3 matrix. First take the matrix. First row is 1 0 0. Second row is 3 3 0. And next row is 5 2 minus 1. Your first step is find determinant. Now what is determinant of this 3 cross 3 matrix? 1 into cross multiplication of second row and third column, we get minus 3 minus 0. Then minus of second row element is 0, multiply by minus 3 minus 0, and minus third element is 0, multiply by 3 into 2 is 6, minus 5 into 3 is 15. That is, take the second column and first row element. That is, determinant of matrix A is minus 3 and minus 3 is not equal to 0. So, A inverse of these matrices exist. Now, if A inverse is exist, then find its minor element. Now, what is the minor element of 3 cross 3 matrix? M11, minor element of first row, is denoted by M11, but delete the first row and first column element and take remaining element in determinant form, that is 3 0 2 minus 1, and determinant of these matrix is minus 3. Now M12 means deleting first row and second column and take the remaining element in matrix form, 2 cross 2 matrix form, and take the determinant, then determinant is minus 3. Repeat this procedure up to M33 element. Means my M13 element is minus 9, M21 element is 0, M22 element is minus 1, M23 element is 2. Similarly, A11 is minus 3, A12 is 3, then A13 element is minus 9, A21 element is 0, A22 element is minus 1, and A23 element is minus 2. Using the minor element, we get the A elements. Now next one is step 2. Find value and minor and cofactor element. Then last row, that is M31, third row and first column element. Delete the third row and first column element, then take the determinant of the remaining element, we get answer is 0. Next one is delete third row and second column element, my determinant is 0. Next one is M33, delete the third and third column element, we get determinant is 3. Now what is its respective element? We get A31 is 0, A32 element is 0, and A33 element is minus 3. Therefore, my cofactor matrix is first row matrix element minus 3, 3, minus 9. Next row element is 0, minus 1, minus 2. And third row element is 0, 0, minus 3. Now, find its A inverse. Using the cofactor element, first find the adjoint of matrix. Now, what is adjoint? Transformation of row and column. Row changes to column and column changes to row. Then we get the final matrix minus 3 0 0, first row. Second row we get 3 minus 1 0 using Aij element, and last row is minus 9 minus 2 and minus 3. Now what is A inverse? Use 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. We get the final matrix, determinant is minus 3, multiply its adjoint of matrix. This is A inverse. Thank you. In the next video, we see the elementary row transformation. How to find A inverse using elementary row transformation.